We are pleased to show you the 2002 Yukon. Peace of mind comes standard with GMC's 100,000-mile, 5-year powertrain warranty and Yukon's 5-star frontal crash test rating. Boasting a Vortec 5.3-liter V8 with active fuel management, flex fuel, Yukon is agile and capable. This vehicle has less than 145,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, running boards, passenger airbag, automatic transmission, cruise control, compass, fog lamps, power windows, remote power door locks, trip computer. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.